This is something that I noticed really soon when I was trialling the bike. It's the Enviolo's stepless gears. I really liked that I could visually see where I was at on hills. When I was stopped on a hill, I could visually see where I needed to change my gear to, just like this. And it's really easy, and it doesn't wear on my wrist. And I think that if you're pulling the weight of the bike and you're twisting the gears, you might notice that after a while, but I really like how easy it is to change the gears when I'm on a hill with the kids. It's just done.
But the key is the we call constant variable transmission at the back. So it's not a traditional hub gear where you've got sun rings, planet gears. It's completely different technology. It changes on the fly, so when you're riding along, it changes smoothly. There's no clunk, change gear. Full power down all the time as you change gear. But then if you forget to change gear going up a hill, or you get stuck at a junction, one quick twist of the throttle to pull the throttle all the way up, and that's changed gear completely now. And I can set off without the juddering, without the wobbling, just straight on, change gear, and off we go again. So I can go from 30 miles an hour, stop at a junction, twist the throttle, and off at 2 miles an hour up a 1 in 3 hill.
There's many a time I've had to stop suddenly, I've had to stop quickly, and I'm in the wrong gear. All you've got to do is just turn it. You don't need to backpedal, nothing. So easy to start.
So the feeling is like if you were in a static bike nearly, like obviously you need to worry about steering, but from an effort perspective, you just twist, press a button, and it becomes a lot easier. You don't need to worry about, oh, am I late, or have I stopped in a traffic light and it's now a massive hill and I'm not going to have time to sort of move the pedals into gear. You just move it and it makes it easier or harder, which is great.